Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is heading towards the critical resistance of 2527, 2530 again. This level has been playing a very crucial role because market is going to test the resistance 47 to 8 time, and this has become a very risky zone right now. Okay, because technically market should have crossed the level a long time ago, but still we can see that sellers around this area are not allowing the market to go up. So yes, chances of market breaking the resistance is quite high, but as I said, okay, market has failed, okay, whenever we expect it. So this level is very risky right now. And today is a very important day because today is CPI day. Okay, if you follow the economic calendar, then you must know that today, okay, in the US session, market will be crazy volatile because of the inflation report. So please be careful. Beginners, new traders, traders with low capital, observe the market to gain experience, but do not jump in because the high volatile market is very lucrative, but maximum traders lose money at the time of news. News trading is the hardest form of trading, and personally, okay, I believe that news trading is somewhat equivalent to gambling also, because highest form of market manipulation takes place at the time of news. That's a bitter reality or dark side of the market, okay, because if you have been following news, then you must know that market hardly follows the news. Okay, so theory and practical both are completely different. So please be careful at the time of news. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital. And before a major event like CPI, NFP, we know it very well that market prefers to stay silent. So right now also the number of trading opportunities are very less. There are chances that you will not even get a single good trading opportunity on gold before CPI. So do not force yourself. Okay, because see, we are traders, we are not gamblers. We need to think logically. See, we work hard for hours, for days, for weeks, then we earn money. If you go to a job, you get your salary after 1 month. But when we trade, we forget all the pain, all the hard work, and we just lose everything in just few seconds and minutes. So do not make the mistake. Respect your capital because you have really worked hard. Okay, so be careful at the time of news, and before news. If you do not get any proper trading opportunity, no need to trade, because market is not going anywhere. Market will give us plenty of trading opportunities when the market is normal. Okay, now let's look at the chart of gold. So before talking about the chart of gold, I would like to take you to the options data. Okay, we are looking at the options data after a long time, and my dear friends, okay, there are many of you, okay, who do not like me talking about the option data because we trade on a spot market and this data belong to the futures market. But we have seen that this data has saved us multiple times. Okay, this data has worked lovely. So I just want to tell you one thing here, that if we look at the upside, then we can see the contracts at 2530 is gone. Okay, call. Yeah, there it is. Okay, you can see the number of contracts at 2530 has reduced considerably. So if market brings volume, then we can expect the market to break 2530 and go up. Where is the next resistance? As per the data, we can expect the next resistance to be around 2550, and then the biggest resistance for the month of September is around 2600. This is the best resistance on the chart of gold. But if volume comes, then yes, this time we can expect 2530 to be gone, and then 2550 will be the next resistance as per the data here. Okay, and if we look for support, then surprisingly, okay, we do not have any strong support. Okay, you can see here 2500. Okay, you must be knowing 2500 has been working as support for last couple of days. But if you look at the data, you can see that number of contracts are slowly reducing, and we do not have big number of contracts also. So if market starts falling, chances of market going below 2500 is quite high. So after news, If market goes down, I think this time gold will break 2500 because we do not have any strong support also. You can see we do not have any good number of contracts also at 2450. And as we all know, historically, September is not a very positive month, so there is a chances of a downside also. And market is okay, very critical. So I am not trying to predict the market here because we need to follow the trend. Okay, we can just react according to the market situation. We cannot predict. Okay, so if market goes up, yes, then we can expect then that 2550, 2600 or 2600 to be the highest resistance. Okay, and if market drops, okay, there can be a good fall. And if you look at the trading opportunities, then I have only two buy levels on the chart of gold, that too before news. Why? Because right now you can clearly see that we do not have any reliable level. Okay, so whatever levels that are in front of us are not very um, reliable. Okay, very strong. Okay, so we have two support levels. Okay, 2508.50 is one level where we can look for a buy, and the second support level on the chart of gold is around 2504. Keep in mind these levels will not work at the time of news because these are minor levels, and we have derived these levels with the help of FIBO. Till yesterday, our FIBO levels have done a fine job. Each and every level have given us 40-50 pips and more than that. So uh, for sell, we do not have any FIBO level. Our FIBO levels have expired. Okay. Okay. But today, if market comes down before the US session, we can look for a bounce around 2508, 2504 area. 2504 area is a better level because of FIBO 50% retracement level. Plus, we have support around this area. But if the volume is low, then we can look for support around 2508 also because of FIBO 38.2. Plus, we can see we have the dynamic support coming up. So these are the two levels. Okay, I will look for a buy position before the news if I get a chance or opportunity. And if market goes up, again I'm repeating, this level, okay, is like a god's level. Okay, nobody knows what will happen in this level right now. If you see also market coming down or market showing price rejection from above, okay, if you want to go for a sale, you can go for it, but go for a small sale. Okay, because this level has become a very critical level. And if you look at the Forex time frame, you can see that right now, okay, I will not say that we have a clean ascending triangle, but yes, we can see that we have more or less an ascending triangle here, and it's a bullish pattern. Okay, so please be careful. And do we have any other opportunity? Yes, we do have on 15 minutes time frame, but those are very risky levels. Okay, if you have your risk management, okay, under your control, okay, then only you can go for it. For example, you can go for a buy above 2522 area. You can also look for a buy around this the 2515 area, but these are very high risk levels. Personally, I will not go for it, and I will not recommend to others also. But if you want, then you can go for it. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. And I believe you guys already know that the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. Okay, the workshop has been designed specially for those people who are struggling with the market, who are unable to make money for the last couple of months, and yes, not for beginners, for those who knows everything but still in loss. Okay, so there will be total 7 classes. At first, there will be 3 consecutive classes and 4 weekly sessions. These are the dates here. You can see we have few days left, but you can join now also. Till the workshop, you'll be receiving free market updates, analysis, and yes, you can also take part in our live sessions. Today also we are having a live session for CPI. Okay, all the dates are mentioned here. These are the topics that we will be discussing. You can see here, no SMC, no no fair value gaps, order blocks, because those things, okay, yes, they are good, but okay, you can find easily online. We will be dealing only with those topics that we want to survive in the market and to make money. So I have carefully chosen these topics, and these are the things that you will be receiving after the workshop, like the lot size calculator, risk management guide, and many other stuff. And yes, after the 7 days workshop, you'll be getting 1 month support, means you will be added to a WhatsApp group where you will be receiving regular market updates, analysis, and many things. You can also become a part of our Telegram community. Okay, because trading is lonely, so we have traders from all around the world to talk, to chat, to share ideas. And these are the topics for the weekly sessions. I have carefully chosen these topics because see, learning has no end. But obviously, okay, you need to know few things to survive in the market so that you can find the consistency and stability. And all the classes are conducted over Google Meet. And no need to worry, okay, if you cannot attend because I record each and every session. And the best part is the fees, my dear friends. As I said, world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. So if you're only interested with the 7 days workshop and 1 month support, then it's only $20 or rupees 1500 for Indians. And if you're looking for personal sessions, guidance, WhatsApp support from me, then you can go with semi-annual or lifetime support. Okay, you can see they are also very affordable, only $80 or rupees 5000 for semi-annual for 6 months and 140 for lifetime. Okay, and you will be getting 6 person sessions, lifetime WhatsApp support from me. Okay, as long as I'm alive. Okay, and these are the payment methods. Once you're done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this number. I will add you to the group immediately. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Bye bye. Take care.